Welcome to your horoscope for May 1st to 15th, 2025. If you're seeking guidance on making wise decisions, embracing growth, and cultivating peace in your life, this is your cosmic roadmap. Let's explore how the stars are aligning to support your journey toward clarity, balance, and lasting fulfillment. This period brings an opportunity for refinement and introspection, dear Virgo. With Mercury, your ruling planet, retrograde until mid-May, communication may feel challenging at times. However, this is also a powerful time to slow down, reflect deeply, and perfect the details of your life. Trust your analytical nature. It will guide you toward thoughtful choices and meaningful progress. Career and finances. In your career, expect steady progress around May 3rd when Jupiter harmonizes with practical energies. You'll feel inspired to streamline processes, tackle projects methodically, or take on responsibilities that showcase your expertise. Mercury retrograde reminds you to review contracts or agreements carefully before finalizing them. Attention to detail ensures success. Financially, focus on budgeting wisely and revisiting long-term goals. Smart planning now can lead to lasting stability and peace of mind. Relationships and social life. Your relationships thrive during this time, especially around May 7th, when Venus amplifies harmony and connection. Single Virgos might meet someone who appreciates their thoughtfulness and reliability. For those in partnerships, prioritize open communication and acts of kindness. They strengthen emotional bonds. Surround yourself with people who value your dedication and support your growth. They're essential for maintaining inner peace, health, and well-being. May invites you to prioritize self-care and nurture your well-being. Around May 9th, the moon highlights the importance of rest and balance. Avoid overcommitting yourself. Set boundaries to protect your energy. Incorporate calming practices like yoga, meditation, or journaling into your routine. By honoring your needs, you create space for clarity and resilience. Remember, true peace begins within. Personal growth and spirituality. The second week of May encourages reflection and personal growth. Around May 12th, Mercury retrograde prompts you to revisit past goals or unresolved issues. Instead of resisting, embrace this energy to gain new insights and refine your path forward. Trust your intuition. It's guiding you toward choices that align with your highest good. Each step forward brings you closer to living authentically and peacefully. Trust your process. Virgo, these 2 weeks are all about using your natural precision and diligence to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Stay patient, stay grounded, and trust the process. You're building a foundation for lasting peace and fulfillment. The universe is cheering you on every step of the way.